So the second technology we're interested in is at this site, and we're investigating, is Metribuzin tolerance in lentils. Obviously, Metribuzin is an important Group C herbicide that is widely applied before growers sow their pulse crops within this mallee region. But it's also not without its risks, and applied at too high a rate, or applied maybe PSPE rather than IBS on these sandy soils can quickly cause a lot of damage. And we're seeing some of this damage at this site. This is variety PBA HIGHLAND here. This hasn't had any pre-emergent herbicides applied at all. This is basically our nil treatment, where if I look just here, we've applied Metribuzin at the lowest label rate, which is 180 grams per hectare, as a post-sowing pre-emergent application, so a PSPE. You can see here we've lost a lot of plants, and we've done quite a lot of damage to this crop, even on this soil type at the lowest label rate. Traditionally, farmers might elect to apply this chemical incorporated by sowing, which is obviously going to safeten it up and also probably go at a lower rate than what we've used here. Step back a bit further, and you can see as we've stepped up the rate, now we've gone to a mid-range rate on this soil type of 280 grams per hectare of Metribuzin, and we've basically got total crop failure here. What we're demonstrating in terms of the technology though, and we've been able to get a variety from Grains Innovation Australia, or GIA, some material they're working on, which is a variety of lentils that is tolerant to Metribuzin being applied prior to sowing. So here you can see at the same rates that we've used over there, 280 grams per hectare, 180 grams per hectare. We're basically not seeing any difference between these varieties, so highly tolerant to this application of Metribuzin, which is obviously, by giving us the ability to bring this chemical in at higher rates than we can traditionally use, might open up the spectrum of weeds and the level of control that we might be able to get against these hard to control weeds that are establishing themselves in these pulse systems in this low rainfall zone.